He's back. We're back for another fun day at sea on the Carnival Celebration. If you just joined us, we're with Coaster Studios, hanging out for a week, meeting new people, and making some fun new memories. So let's kick back and have some fun.
I'm going to the pig's place for breakfast. Good morning, everybody. We are on day 3. I told you guys we're going to eat at different breakfasts, if that's even a word. I feel like my voice is going to keep on getting deeper and deeper as the cruise goes. But we're going to eat at the pigs, anchored pigs, whatever it is. That's where we're going to head to this morning. So I don't like to have breakfast with tons of people. So one of the ways that you can kind of get around that is by going to a more hidden breakfast spot. I believe this is actually a spot that you can go to for breakfast because I saw it yesterday when I was doing the tour. Here we are, summer landing, Pig and Anchor. Oh yeah, the breakfast is not ready yet. Dang it. Okay, so maybe there's like a time that you have to watch out for later, but I am really hungry, so we're just gonna go back up to the Lido deck. I am interested about the pancakes. Hopefully they will not taste like fertilizer, because the other cruise ship definitely tasted like fertilizer. So, still eat them every day? Yes. We got some tots, some pancakes. I don't know what this is, it was pretty decent. Eggs still seem runny, but it's pretty decent. Anybody else look down there and you're like amazed by how blue the water is? Overall, the breakfast was great. Great quality, pretty chill. I am wondering, does that deteriorate over the week? Because the Carnival Sunshine, by the 9th day, it was like things just kind of got a little interesting. But no, it's pretty decent, pretty good. Okay, so there are a couple of things that we're doing on the coaster cruise today as a group. I mean, you can choose to be a part of them. You don't have to if you don't want to. We're doing a group photo at 10. And then after that, we're gonna take over the mini golf area, do a little tournament. And also we're doing like a slot machine thing where we all kind of just chip in like $20 and we play and we just kind of split the winnings, which is pretty cool. So I'm excited to do that today. Yeah, there's just a lot of different things that we're doing and it's a good amount of not too busy. You don't feel like obligated to be a part of the group, but yet you want to hang out with the group and see everybody. So overall, it's like a really chill kind of vibe. I don't know, loving it.
All right, here we go. Good morning. A sea of green. Oh, where are we going to? They're leading us astray. This is the behind the scenes of the photo. You know, no one has ever filmed the behind the scenes of the photo. Not because it's not valuable, just because it's random.
Now flip around.
If you wonder what it's gonna look like, that's what they look like.
Fill the middle! Fill the middle!
Fill the hole!
Sausage.
I got it. Favorite part of the trip so far? Or funniest moment or favorite part?
We can't say the funniest moment on camera. Last night's
Oh,
video
last
was by
night
far
was-
the funniest moment.
Yeah.
No, we can't do
Well,
that.
safe.
The thing I love the most about Coaster Cruise is the people.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just such a good crowd to be with. We make friends.
Friends.
Yes.
Friends.
It's about being around our people because normal friends and family, they can't hang the same way that Lucy's can.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say that's one of my favorite parts, meet new people. Once you meet your people, everything just goes straight.
Wait, what is this called again?
What is this? Really big trivia.
Oh, really big trivia. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Hopefully we'll win, and we're gonna win about $50,000. I wish.
All right, we're going to get started in just a second here because they assigned me a game that has many, many bits and pieces. Each team in here is now the proud owner of their very own cruise line. However, all of your ships are currently in dry dock. That means they are under maintenance. You need to get them back out on the ocean so that you can participate in the most important part of cruising, which is
Trivia.
making money. I'm kidding. Carnival wants me to say having fun. But with that, go ahead and give both wheels a spin. Woo! We're being St. Thomas before those stop spinning. The difficulty of your question is an easy one to start off. Very nice. And we're going to sports and games. Designed to keep athletes active and indoors in the winter, James Naismith is credited for creating what sport? Collectively work with your groups, come up with an answer. Designed to keep athletes active and indoors in the winter, James Naismith is that is correct. That is, and in a 4-way tie for first. Everybody.
Hey!
So, for a tiebreaker question.
We didn't
Click on
win.
a stick.
We didn't win. Holding towels. Let's go.
Now, if you are we going to kick off our first towel animal? Are we going to take the big one or the little one? So it kind of looks like you are going to fold it in half. But you fold it in half so the flat side is on the inside. And roll it in. See how he's rolling it in? Hold it in one hand and kind of fan out these ears that we are making. That's it. Hot towel. And we're going to shake it off. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Shake it off, shake it off.
That one's better.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
How cute is it? So, yeah.
Oh.
Now we have got the hot ball. Did anyone purchase the hot ball?
Literally
Our hot ball for this round is number 5, everyone. So we are looking for a block of 9. I see another 0. I see $1,000.
Wow. Another towel animal, let's go.
Here on the end, when it's crowded. You want to grab that one?
Oh.
This is going to be big. Right there.
Oh, $7. Hey.
Let's bring some thunder from down under. Come on.
Maritime Mike. Come on. Hey. What is that? Oh, hey! Six free games. Let's go. Bonus. Oh, come on. Big game 106. Come on. Okay, that's 2. Oh!
$10.
Come on, we just need something really big.
Oh, you go.
Okay, it's coming.
Here you go, Queen.
Oh, yeah.
Mike just made it all back.
Mike's made it.
Back to where we started.
I don't know if he does.
Let's go with one more.
Yeah. Oh, Mike is our big winner. Hey! Oh, how much is that?
It's good. 7-nation limit, that is.
Oh, it's going. It's good. All right, $4. Wow! Yeah! Oh, whole spin features. The start button.
Major.
Come on, come on.
Minor.
Wait. Yeah! Okay, come on. Come on, big money.
Blue ball.
This is going to translate
Blue
like
ball.
$37.
Save it.
Come on.
Ah.
That's it?
Hey! Hey!
Thunder from down under! Let's just get nothing.
Ah.
You can do another one? Okay.
I only did one.
Spend $100.
What's it gonna give us though? It needs to go up high. Higher. Higher. It's still going. Look at me, Chris. Oh.
The dragon.
Choose the dragon. Come on, dragon.
I can't even get that.
Oh. Well. Hey. Watch the next person goes in here, plays it. Jackpot. Definitely a fun experience. I think what's cool about that is when you just bet like a little bit, you don't get that full experience. But since we were able to bet so many times, you get like the highs and lows. And that's like the fun part, I guess. Cool way of playing. I never tried that before. And now for some pizza. Do it for the vlog. Dude, but if you get a chance, pizza is probably one of the really good things. It's pretty like rock solid. You're always gonna get a decent pizza. And so I tried like a meat one, and it's not bad. It's really hot. It's really fresh, which is good. So be careful. Don't burn the roof of your mouth. But I also have a pepperoni pizza too, but it's pretty decent. So you can't go wrong. All right, now we're gonna do some swimming, some pool time. So let's go. I'm gonna try to see how cold it is. It's not cold. Okay, that's not bad. I'm hoping to be able to see under the big top, but to get spots, it's like really hard. And they always say you want to make sure that you get here early enough because, like I said, there's so many limited seats. Like people already have their seats and it starts at 7:30. Like, it is 5:30 right now, guys. It's 5:30. But we have a reservation for Chibang. It's like a fusion of Asian and Mexican restaurant. So we're gonna miss it tonight, but maybe tomorrow we can. Wow. Okay, dinner time. First non dining room area dinner, so it's more like specialty. So should be fun.
This kind of milk, Mom. Did she drink all of the other one too?
Yeah, it's all good.
So we just ate at Chibang. It was pretty decent. It was actually really good. I think I want to eat there more. But what are your thoughts?
I'd go again. Again, bad dessert, but
Yeah. Okay, dessert was terrible. Okay, yes. Okay, lava cake, right? You know, I tell you that every day just gets worse and worse and worse. Today, the cake that was kind of like a lava cake, bad again. So it just took a dive even further. So I don't know. We'll see if that ever gets better. but remember, on the other cruise, the last day actually went up. So we'll see. But Chibang, really good place. Bolt and putt-putt. I feel like they can definitely do this at night.
what?
They can definitely do this at night.
Are they not?
No, they don't do it at night. Oh no, they closed it. That's womp. Perfect timing. We were just walking around. It just kind of happened. So we're going to be watching a comedy night. And we have perfect seats, so that works out. I think one of the best things about the ship is if you just go around not knowing what to do, and you just keep walking around, you're going to find somebody. It's going to be super chill. So we're going to watch it. Hopefully it'll be good.
Welcome in, my name is Joey, I'm your cruise director here on board, and I like to sneak into this lounge every so often when the comedy's on, because I like a room full of people that want to have a good time and laugh all night. Is that you? Amazing, amazing.
Okay guys, 80s night.
Come on, Celebration. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it.
On our next episode, we're finally getting off the ship and having some fun at all the ports we went to. There's more games, dancing, karaoke, and fun to be had, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching all the way through, and here are some other videos that you can check out while you're here, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.